Well, I'm your speaking examiner and this is part 1. So, may I know your full name, please?
My name is Asad Yaqub.
What shall I call you, mister?
Whatever you want to. My mommy calls me Pappu.
Wait a second. Maybe we decided to make this a serious one.
All right.
Yeah.
So you
Thank
can call me Pappu.
I'll call you Asad.
All
Is
right.
that fair? Yeah. Okay. What's the name of your hometown?
My hometown is Lahore and it's the provincial capital of Punjab. I belong to Punjab and I live in Lahore.
Is it a big city or a small place?
It's a very big city, especially the suburbs. Now they have joined this city as well. So it has turned into one large city, and I would say it's one of the largest cities of my country now.
Please describe your hometown a little.
My hometown is a place where you can find several cultural buildings, especially historical monuments, and my hometown is quite vibrant. There are many things like food. People are quite active and energetic. They love enjoying festivals and food and everything. So my hometown is a fantastic place for anyone who is live-hearted.
How long have you been living there?
I've been living here for a long time. Actually, I was born in a different city. Then I came to this city, and afterwards I've been living here since my childhood. Yes.
Do you like your hometown?
I love my hometown very much.
You were taking it so well, so
Yeah,
serious. I
yeah.
see how you.
Yeah,
you
all right.
saved
I
it
love my
for the end.
hometown because I've been here for so long and I know this hometown quite a lot. Every corner, every park, every restaurant, every place. So I actually love my hometown.
Well, that's great. That's the end of your speaking part 1.
All right.
And yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Hit the like button, also subscribe to Daddy's channel, and also hit the with the bell icon for the post notifications.
All right, and Daddy also teaches IELTS
online. The
online and
WhatsApp
on
number is given.
campus, right?
This
so
is
if
the
you want to
classroom.
join live class,
Yeah.
this is the classroom. Otherwise,
I'll be
for
around
online,
here, yeah.
she'll be here. Thank you very much. Take care.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.